Laho na sintinay untai Rua Cinco do Bairro ao home Oh, oh, oh Walking Macau Oh, oh, oh Cinco do Bairro ao home Oh, oh, oh Walking Macau Oh, oh, oh Cinco do Bairro ao home Yeah, yeah, yeah I'm just walking in Macau Yeah, 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 yeah I'm just walking in Macau No, no, no Never get bored in Macau No, no, no Never get bored in Macau Rua Cinco do Bairro ao home Up by the border Rua Cinco do Bairro ao home Oh, oh A street up by the border Yeah, yeah, yeah I'm just walking in Macau Yeah, 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 yeah I'm just walking in Macau No, no, no Never get bored in Macau No, no, no Never get bored in Macau
Okay, so this street sign says Rua Cinco, number 5, the Bairro Iojon. So it's just this little tiny little alley. So we're going to be going all the way through this alley. We're going to show you what's here. We'll put it up on the map. It's a little community called Iojon. So we're going to give you a little slice of Macau here. So stay tuned for that, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to be going down that street. Let's go up the stairs. So you can see this one kind of goes all the way up to the border, all the way that way. And then this one goes all the way, I think that's kind of like south direction. I think that's what it is. So we're going to be going down filming Rua Cinco de Bairro Iojon and whatever we see here. So we have some hair salons, and this particular one is a shrine. So let me just kind of capture that real quick. Yeah, that one is okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. So this is just a tiny little alley. It's got a little bit of a detail there. It's actually almost Chinese New Year right now too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going all the way down. There's a tire shop. Okay, and you also have all these little alleys like this, and they go up. And there's actually another one. Let's just kind of walk up it, and we'll just kind of give an idea of what this area looks like. So you can navigate into these areas like this. And there's all these apartment buildings, the mailboxes, and you can actually go all the way through it. So you can go all the way through that alley right there. And then as you can see, all the way down too. I think we're on Nove. I think this is called the same name, but it's called Nove. And you can also see, you can go through it. And you just have even walkways up the top as well. So you can see those. And that would go right to a park right over there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Let's see what else we can show you here. I think this is called Nove. Okay. You can see some more alleyways all the way up there too. Kind of a cool area. So yeah, this is like Iojon, and this is number 5. So there's actually, here's a supermarket too, San Luis supermarket. There's 9 streets, 9 Iojon streets. And this is number 5, so let me just show this up on the camera. So Cinco. So Cinco is 5, and it's also in Chinese too, so there's 5, but there's 9 total. Here's a little Macanese style restaurant. Okay, so this is actually Ayonhon as well. I think this is the first street, I think. We're gonna go all the way across. The border is directly up that way, so you can see the border. Okay, so let's go across. So the border is, you can see actually the Zhuhai train station all the way down. Right all the way down that way. It's the Zhuhai train station, so if you can cross that border and go into Zhuhai. These are the apartments that we're looking at. That's our number 5 street, Hua. And we're gonna continue down, going down this way. Then we're also at number 5. Here's Golden Time. It's called Cinco. Looks like this one is more dominated by kind of car wash stuff. So yeah, sort of Ayonhon. We're so you could actually see the train station to Zhuhai. So we're right in the distance, right in the walking distance. There's another one of these as well, and it's almost the same design. You even have the walkways up there as well, so you can see those walkways too. Let's go on up to the top. I can hear, so yeah, same thing again. So same structure. And in this one, you can actually see like 2. You can see all the way through to that street, and then there's another street. So I can see somebody way in the distance. Got these air conditioners. Yeah, I think this area has a lot of character. I think it's really interesting just that it's just the way it's designed and such. And all these wires everywhere too, right? And just close proximity together. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going all the way to the end. And this will be our Cinco. I usually film Ayonhon without doing the individual streets. But I'm gonna try to document all the streets exactly how they are in time. So this is actually number 5. So okay. You can see it's a little bit industrial. There's a lot of cardboard boxes all the way here, so people will make money off of those. Let's see. That's our number 5. That goes all the way to the border, all the way down that way. Oops. So yeah, Cinco number 5. Hua Cinco, Bairro. So we're gonna end our video right there.